go.
So what are you doing, David?
I'm chiseling out the little pieces out of the door frame that I'm making for the door we're hanging in the laundry room. So I've got a utility knife that this is the strike plate here. So I've given me a little, so I basically traced this for where it's going to go there. And then I go back, so that's with the pencil, then I go back with the X-Acto knife or utility knife, and I scored around it. And then once I've scored all of it to about the depth that I want, then I take my handy dandy chisels and I chisel that all out. So I'm left with just a little flat area that I need to have this recessed on so it fits flush as opposed to standing proud. So that's what I'm doing.
Okay, and well, have we taken video of what you did here? You did, didn't you?
No,
putting up the shop lights? Do you want to?
Well, it's daylight, so it's kind of,
You can still see.
It's not as impressive, but we've cleaned up. Doesn't look like we've cleaned up, but we've cleaned up this shop area and got a bunch of stuff out and threw it all out to the trash guys who hauled it off for us. And then I hung some shop lights to give me some good light out here. I got my extension cord reel hung. It's 50 feet, so I can get powered at anywhere I need it. And so my shop is coming along.
And then you want to say what you did to the door out here, and I'll.
Well, this is the jamb with the strike plate. That's the side with the hinges. I'm already done with that, so I don't have a router, so I use everything by hand. So I've chiseled these out, and these match. You can see where the hinges for the door on the door will be. So ultimately, this will be like this, if you will, with a hinge.
Okay.
So these are all hand chiseled out, and that's what I'm doing in there.
And this door this is an old door that was.
This was the door that was sitting right here.
Oh, that's right, when we were, yeah.
It was this door going out.
Yeah.
This was the laundry room, if you will.
That's right,
The
okay.
nasty, whatever.
But this is a cool old door. It's real heavy, but it's going to be perfect
So that's going on the laundry room.
for the laundry room. Okay. Anything else? Is that it? We'll take video once you get it hung and
Trimmed
and all that. We'll
we
show.
have paint still, so.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. All righty. I think that's it. Anything else you needed to show anybody?
Nope.
That's it. All right. What do you say?
See you later.